oh man, when white people talk, it never goes well when it's about this kind of thing, but I feel kind of like I need to say something right now about it. So you guys are running this campaign to say I'm gathering it now. I thought you were trying to say that I was trying to be tan to be slim, which sort of defies the heroin chic thing, but now I understand you're trying to say that I'm trying to tan to be black. I'm like, I wear sunscreen. You see me put this on every day. And I can't afford it for my body. Dude, I make no money. I've made $2 today. That's $11 in 4 days, you guys. What the fuck do you want from me? They've stopped. They're done giving me money. The closer I get, the less money I get. Starving me out, that's what it is. So, recently people have been coming up and they're calling me Negra. Tú eres una negra. But the way they say it, it's like, because I'm not black, their racism kind of like comes out towards it, because it's like this, it's like they're saying it as an insult. They're saying it as like, you should see their face when they say it. And as a white person, I've never experienced this. Hearing the word like this. And so I've just been thinking about, because I'm not PC, this is a problem, I'm not PC. I've never felt comfortable with certain things, and I'm not saying things out of malice, etc., etc. You're going to rewrite it and say that I was tossing out all these slurs and whatever out of malice. No. But I've not been PC. Hearing that, like, I don't know. I've never heard it like that. And I keep hearing it. It's not making me sad for me, you know, the joke's always on me, but it's just like, it's making me really sad for black people. Yeah. So I know it's like I can't win because I'm white, so I'm not even supposed to say shit ever. I'm just supposed to pretend I don't know anything, and didn't even notice anything, and etc., etc., but I'm really sorry the world is fucked. And I'm really sorry that there is so much ignorance in the world, and myself included, of not knowing what things are like until it hits you personally. Sorry it takes that to understand certain things. It's not a reflection of you, it's a reflection of the world. I know it's stupid, man. It's like more shit. You meant to be black, blah, blah, blah. All this shit, man. No. And I've been kind of frustrated with not black people specifically, but just the concept, because they're making all these black horns in me, man. It sucks because I'm like, because they're playing into your racism to be like, that's funny, or like, oh, she's a hoe, or she's fetishizing, or that must mean she's like extra kinky, or like whatever. And so I've been frustrated with these rumors of like, she thinks she's black. It's very annoying. It's been going on for years. I think sometimes my frustration does come out. But yeah, I don't know. I can't wait until I even open my mouth. But I kind of wanted to address that because it's really bumming me out. It's really fucked. So I just want to point it out. Anyway, sorry for talking.